used to pay hundreds of dollars a month for Alex Friedman's Signal group. Then I found Signalpeak, decided to give it a try. I risked it. I started to document it on YouTube. And guys, I've never been happier. I get Alex Friedman. I get 99 other premium Signal channels, all for the price of $350. One time, forever. It's unbelievable, guys. If you want this, you need to access Signalpeak. Okay, I've been doing this for a long time now. I've got over 4,000 people in my community join Signalpeak. I'm making money every single day. Hit that like button while you read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. It's time for Signalpeak, so let's get it. So the group we're going to be talking about today is Alex Friedman. And guys, you do get over 100 group likes I've mentioned, but this is the one that I've been using recently. And you can probably see why as we go up and show you some of the profits. All right, just today, we're talking 32%, 37%, and more. Now, Alex Friedman is a very popular group that costs thousands a year, but you get it as part of the Signalpeak package. And I'll show you very soon as well how I got 4,000 people into this company. So you can see they send a signal. It looks like this. So let's go with this one. Vine to USDT. Exchange you should use is Bybit. The cross 12.5%. Here's the entry target. So as long as it's in between these two, you can enter safely. Take profits are here, guys. I know everybody tries to go for the moon, but I usually just take one or two and then get my profit in the bag. And the stop loss here, if it hits a stop loss, do not try and change the trade or you won't get the exact targets that they put. All right, so that's how it goes. Now, how do you get involved in this? All right, Alex Friedman is one of the best groups, but there's also 99 other amazing ones. Here's how it works. First thing you're going to do, guys, is you're going to look at the Signalpeak channel where there's 11,489 people. They're always posting results in here so you can start to get an experience of what groups you're going to like, what is going on in the community. Then you can decide to take your 1-day free trial. Then, guys, you can decide to take your 1-day free trial, which is right here. Once you love it that much, you can decide to either pay monthly or lifetime. Now, with a lifetime, I can give you a code, save you $100, okay? And that is in the description. You're going to hit the link, and it's going to automatically attach that to it, okay? I made a partnership, and they've been very generous. So make sure you use that, all right, guys? So you can pay $250 and get everything for lifetime. It's that easy. You just simply click it. It'll ask you if you want to go into crypto or Forex. You can choose both. You can do both, guys. It's no problem, okay? Take them all. You click crypto, and then you choose the groups you want to join. It's that easy. Now, I want to show you something else. As I go to my affiliate section, okay? If you want another passive income outside of making signals, and you want to click affiliate, all right, you can see I've got 4,346 in my wallet right now that I've still not withdrawn. I've actually withdrawn already from this. Affiliated users in total, 4,160. That's absolutely insane, guys. It's easy if you find a product that's good to share it and make money. So if there's something you want to do, you have to get involved today, and you can also save that $100, get your affiliate link, and start sending it to people that are losing money in crypto signal groups and paying fortunes for them, and let them come in here. Don't forget to hit that in the description. You're going to save yourself money. Hit that like button, hit subscribe button, bell if you're notified. I'll see you next time.